Welcome to this detailed factory tour. Today, we will see how a water pump is made inside a modern factory. Water pumps are very important machines. They are used in homes, farms, buildings, and industries. They help move water from one place to another. In this video, we will explore every step of the water pump manufacturing process. Let's begin our journey. The process starts with raw materials. Large trucks bring iron, steel, copper, aluminum, rubber, and plastic parts to the factory. Each material is carefully checked for quality. Engineers inspect everything before production begins. Only high-quality materials are approved for use. Before manufacturing begins, engineers design the pump using computers. They use advanced software like AutoCAD and SolidWorks to create 3D models. Every small part is designed with precision. The size, shape, and performance are carefully planned. After approval, the design moves to production. The pump body is usually made from cast iron or aluminum. Metal is melted in a large furnace at very high temperatures. The liquid metal is poured into molds. After cooling, the metal becomes solid. This forms the rough shape of the pump casing. In this step, sand molds are prepared. Special sand is mixed with chemicals to make strong molds. The pattern of the pump body is pressed into the sand. Molten metal is poured inside these molds. After cooling, the sand is broken to remove the casting. After casting, the pump body surface is rough. Workers use grinding machines to smooth the surface. Extra metal pieces are removed. Now the pump casing looks clean and ready for machining. Next, the casing goes to CNC machines. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. These machines cut and shape metal with high accuracy. Holes are drilled, threads are made, surfaces are polished. Everything must match the design perfectly. The pump shaft is made from strong steel. Steel rods are cut into correct lengths. They are shaped using lathe machines. The shaft must be perfectly straight and balanced. The impeller is the heart of the pump. It rotates and pushes water forward. Impellers are made from brass, stainless steel, or plastic. They are cast, machined, and polished carefully. Balance testing is very important here. Now we move to the motor section. Copper wires are wound around the stator core. This process can be done by machine or by skilled workers. Copper winding helps create a magnetic field. The rotor is placed inside the stator. It rotates when electricity flows. Bearings are installed for smooth rotation. Precision is very important in this step. High-quality bearings are installed on the shaft. Bearings reduce friction and increase lifespan. They are lubricated properly before installation. Mechanical seals prevent water leakage. Rubber and ceramic materials are used. This step ensures the pump does not leak during operation. All parts are now ready for assembly. The shaft is placed inside the casing. The impeller is attached. The motor is fixed. Bolts are tightened using torque tools. Wires are connected carefully. Capacitors and terminals are installed. Safety checks are performed. The pump body is cleaned and painted. Powder coating or spray painting is used. This protects the pump from rust and corrosion. After painting, pumps move into a drying oven. Heat helps the paint dry quickly. The final finish looks smooth and shiny. Each pump is inspected carefully. Engineers check size, alignment, and wiring. No defective product is allowed to move forward. Now comes testing. The pump is connected to water. It is powered on to check water flow rate, pressure level, noise level, power consumption. Only pumps that pass all tests are approved. The pump is tested under pressure. Engineers check for any leakage. If leakage is found, it is repaired immediately. Special machines measure vibration levels. A good pump runs smoothly and quietly. After testing, the pump is cleaned again. Dust and water are removed. The pump is packed in strong boxes. Thermocol and protective materials are added. User manuals and warranty cards are included. Finished pumps are stored in a warehouse. They are organized according to model and size, ready for shipment. Finally, pumps are loaded onto trucks. They are delivered to shops, industries, and customers worldwide. From raw metal to finished machine, this is the complete journey of water pump manufacturing. Thank you for watching this full factory tour. Now you know how a water pump is made step by step inside a modern factory. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next factory tour.